We Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress, we were forced to take up this thing, press today. In fact, today is the last day of Carnival in Goa and everybody is celebrating. And tomorrow, as we are starting with our Lent, still we are forced to take because in support of this girl. We somewhere felt that we have to stand by this girl who has been arrested. That is Miss Disha Ravi, who has been arrested by Delhi police. And everybody knows for what reasons and why she's been arrested by the Delhi police. Disha was arrested just 2 days back by let me start by saying that let me tell you all who's Disha actually. Disha is just a 21-year-old girl and she's a climate activist, environmental activist there, Disha Ravi by name. And ताजी कितें जालें allegedly for sharing a toolkit related to the farmers' protest against center's agricultural laws on social media. And she was arrested by the crime branch, cyber crime unit. आणि तेका तेजे घरा बँगलोर साकून पुलिसान वचून तेका अरेस्ट करून दिल्ली आता तेका रिमांडाचेर दवरिल्ले आसा. आता म्हाका सांगपाक जाय हे जे इंडियन यूथ आसा क्लायमेट एक्टिविस्ट आसा, शी इज अ फाउंडर ऑफ ऑल्सो अ फ्रायडे फॉर फ्युचर ऑफ इंडिया, फ्रायडेज फॉर फ्युचर इंडिया म्हणून ते फाउंडर आसा. आणि तेणे शी इन्क्रीज नाव इंटरनॅशनल तेणे आता अटेंशन ग्रॅब केलें when she was arrested on the 13th February 2021 for involvement of online toolkit related to Greta Thunberg for Indian farmers protest. आता म्हाका हांगा सांगपाचें आसा, खंय तरी आमी आयज गोवा प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेस is strongly condemning the arrest of this 21-year-old climate activist Miss Disha Ravi by Delhi police, stifling the voices of people, especially the young, for supporting a cause has become a new modus operandi of the Modi government, of the BJP government. And this is another unsurprising law for the BJP government, which has waged out all the battle against the idea of India and its democracy from day it has come to power. From the time they have come to power, BJP ची ही नाटकां चालू झाली आसा. तुमकां खबर आसतलें प्रायम मिनिस्टर जो आसा देशाचो नरेंद्र मोदी, तो कोणाकय टार्गेट करता. कोणाक टार्गेट करता? Those who try to come out and protest, he tries to suppress their voice. And this is happening in every part of India where BJP is ruling, right from the center. Anybody who protests or opposes his or BJP's views is being arrested. हाय तुम्ही पळो, कोणे समज जावं तो फार्मर, जावं तो एक स्टुडंट, जावं तो यूथ, जावं ती एक वुमन, एक दलित, मायनॉरिटी, it is the root cause of oppression and stifling of democratic voices in India today. Modi has become a supreme leader. And why I say this? Autocratic rule by signing out everybody who is against his government. कोणाकूच तो आयज बक्षना जाला. He is harassing individuals because they support a cause. ताका कोणे खंयच्या कॉजाक सपोर्ट करपाचें ना, कोणे आवाज उठोवपाचो ना ताच्या गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या अगेन्स्ट. तो एक आशिल्लो हिटलर जर्मनी, हो त्याच्यार व्हडलो हिटलर आसा. आणि कोणे harassing individuals because they support of a cause. If somebody, again I would like to say, is harassing individuals because they support a cause, bulldozing their beliefs to the state-sponsored coercion, misuse of agencies, and so many people are frivolous cases in the BJP's way of destroying. They are destroying the fabric of democracy of India today. आता तुम्ही पहिला असतले, this girl Disha, who has been arrested, 21-year-old girl, who has been arrested by the Delhi police and 5 दीस आता तेका रिमांडान घातिल्ले आसा. ते कितें करताले? She was just trying to democratic right to constitutional आसा. She was just supporting the farmers' cause. and she just shared collaboration जाऊन तिने share केलो toolkit. किती? Nobody has got the right to suppress what is there in the heart. Is it not a constitutional right of a person? Then why there is constitution? Why is Modi trying to suppress? You all must have seen she was just supporting the farmers. Her Twitter was on farmers, supporting the farmers. She had just edited 2 lines. More than 200 farmers, if you all go to see my brothers, more than 200 farmers have died in the last 80 days. अरेच महिने जावपाक आयले ते बाबडे थंय कॅम्प घालून आसा दिल्ली कुडकुडीत बॉर्डराचेर ती थंडी सोशी कित्याक आपले रायट रिफॉर्म ते लॉक लागून आमकां नाका सांगता ते मोदी आपल्या हक्काक लागून झगडपाक लागतात आपल्या हक्काक लागून आयज झगडपाक लागल्यात 200 सुमार फार्मर आयज मरून गेले इन द कोल्ड विंटर्स just for justice and the prime minister and the arrogant BJP government have turned a blind eye to the cause, and worse is that they have branded them. Those who are fighting for justice, the farmers who are fighting for the justice, तांकां त्यांनी brand घातला आणि ते troll करतात that they are anti-national आणि they are terrorist म्हणून तांकां brand केले आसा आणि voicing dissent, non-cooperation and satyagraha हे आमचे गांधीजीचे tools आशिल्ले आमकां खंय तरी आयज we have one India has won its independence and ingrained in life blood of this nation. It's because the tools like voicing dissent and non-cooperation, satyagraha by our leader Mahatma Gandhi. Are right to freedom of speech, right to protest is a fundamental right of the constitution. खंयच्या मनशाक right ना freedom of speech उलोवपाक सगळ्यांक right आसा म्हाका right आसा आयज बारीक कोण लोकांक एक भिकाऱ्याक देखून बरें दिसना जाल्यार ताका right आसा उलोवपाक because Constitution has given that in Article 90 of Constitution that right to freedom of speech, right to freedom of protest is a fundamental right. I'm saying again in Article 19, and this has been suppressed by the BJP, suppressed by the RSS, and suppressed by Narendra Modi of India, the Prime Minister of India. You can see that Modi government is hell bent in covering these rights and shutting down any dissenting voice, any individuals. ते जाऊ ते दिशा आयज दिशा रवी आसूं दीप कौर आसूं hundreds of missing farmers जाऊं who have been arrested by this government, the BJP government. In Haryana they got arrested केला, in Delhi, and growing additions of the BJP standing operating procedures today. अरे तुम्ही आज BJP flimsy groundsaचेर they are arresting people. They are arresting people on flimsy grounds, waving all sorts of conspiracy theories to a section of media. Arey, they are filing FIRs against journalists today. I journalistan देखून कितें घातलें सत्यान कितें घातलें आनी खरी न्यूज हाडली तेका दुखून काडटात आनी अरेस्ट करतात. फायलिंग ऑफ FIRs against journalists कितले तरी केसीस जाल्ले आसा आयज आनी ऑपोजिशन जाल्यार सोडीत नाका. ऑपोजिशन कितें गोवार केलो पयले ताका ताजेर केस घातली आनी काबार केलें. तो कोण तांचो यूपीचो आसा तो ज्योतिराव कोण तो योगी ताजे कोणे MLA जावं कोणे रेप दिवूंक केलो तो CM म्हणून लोकांक न्ही रस्त्यार देवपाक पडलें भुरग्यांक न्ही रस्त्यार देवपाक पडलें की मायनराक रेप केला म्हणटा काय अरेस्ट करा म्हूण सांगपाक आनी एक चलये फार्मर्साक सपोर्टाक एक टूल किट एक हें घातलो म्हणून तुमी ताका घरांतल्यान बेंगलोर साकून तुमी हाडटात आनी अरेस्ट करतात. वाय? इट इज नॉट ओनली टू सप्रेस हर वॉयस. This is also to suppress the voice of all the Indians who are supporting the farmers in India. ये मोदीचे राजकारण कसलें म्हणल्यार एका अरेस्ट केला एका भितर घातली ती न्यूज जाली दुसरो कोण उलोवपाक आसा तेणे सांबाळून रावचें म्हणून. Please put the cell on silent. Arresting people on flimsy grounds, waving all sorts of conspiracy theories, as I've said, through a section of media, and filing FIRs against journalists, opposition members, applying some draconian laws of sedition on activists, labeling people who hold contrarian views as urban naxals, Khan Market Gang, Lutyens Gang, anti-national, Andolanjivi, etc. are the new normal, that so-called new Delhi of PM Narendra Modi ji. RSS, BJP, and Narendra Modi are all, they are squarely responsible for ever diminishing the stature of India abroad. We have voice to speak out. We are Indians. Nobody can suppress our voices. ही कसली दादागिरी चल्लेली आसा आनी कोणाक 21 वर्साचे भुरग्याक तुम्ही कितें म्हूण टर्म करतात ताजी कितें म्हूण म्हणटात तुम्ही खालिस्ताना कडेन ताजी हे आसा म्हणटात संबंध आसा जस्ट इमॅजिन इफ दॅट पुअर गर्ल वॉज फ्रॉम एनी मायनॉरिटी ताजी आनी कितें हालत जावपाची आयज It is, however, heartening that more and more female voices, especially the young and now actively, are countering this malicious agenda. This malicious agenda and coming in front. You must have seen as kids, females, as youngsters, voice out करपा लागला. तांचे dissent. पूण हेंका देखून आयज अटॅक करपा लागला. We say that youth is the future of tomorrow. Youth has all the right. तुम्ही युथाक बी आतां जशें सप्रेस करतात जाल्यार youth आनी मुखार कशें सरतले? Every person has got the right. आणि हांव सांगपाक सोदता की more power to these people. दिशा रवी जावं तो दीप कौर जावं 100 of farmers जावं आमी महिला काँग्रेस देखून गोंयची we are supporting them and we are saying that more power to them and we offer all our support to them. They have all the person, every person has got the right in democratic India to talk. आणि तुम्ही पळयला आसतले चड पयस वचपाचें ना हांगाच एक चले कोणाक मोलेस्ट केले म्हणून सपोर्ट करपाक गेले आनी लास्टाक काडली एफआयआर म्हजेर घातली आनी हांव आयज ती केस झगडपाक लागलो पॅरा टिचरांक हांव सपोर्ट करपाक गेले तांकां काडले बाबड्याक कामावले म्हणून तांचो अधिकार तांचो रायट आवय बापूय चलयांनी शिकोवन लोन काडून तांकां कामाक लायता म्हणून हांव तांचे कडेन गेले तांकां सपोर्ट करपाक ती केस काडली एफआयआर म्हजेर घातली तिसरी आनी कसली केस आसा गो म्हजी पेट्रोल म्हारग जालें म्हूण मोटो गाडी काडली आनी हांवें कितें म्हणिल्लें हे सगळ्या देशभरात करतात हे बीजेपी काशाव घेवन मोर्चा काडटाले तेन्ना आमी कॅथलिक्सान काय म्हणून ना जावं मुस्लीम काय म्हणनात हिंदूय काय म्हणनात बट हे जे थोडे आसात इन्स्टिगेट करतात रिलिजनाच्या नांवान हांवें फक्त म्हणिल्लें राम नाम सत्य कितें रॉंग केलें हांवें कितें पुजा केल्ली हांवें कितें हें केल्लें पूण आयज म्हजेर एफआयआर घातिल्ली आसा सो दीस इज टू सप्रेस तांचो मुद्दो तो ना राम नाम सत्य म्हणून ताजेर तांचें हें ना तशें जाल्यार सगळ्या पिक्चरांत न्ही मड्याक बी घेवन राम नाम सत्य करतात आनी कोणा कितें करतात तेंचेर कित्याक केस घालनात तेन्ना कित्याक गव्हर्मेंट उबी रावता काशाव घेवन कितले जाले न्ही जाल्यार मोर्चा काडिल्ले कॉफीन घेवन तेन्ना कित्याक तेणी मोर्चा ते करना आमी गोंयकार म्हणटा ते हिंदू मुस्लीम कॅथलिक्स आमी भाव भयण्यो सगळे एक चारान रावपाची मनशां पूण इन्स्टिगेट करून पळयात चिंता तुमी म्हजेर केस घातली म्हणल्यार आय कॅन अंडरस्टँड वॉट दॅट दिशा रवी इज गोईंग थ्रू टुडे शी क्रायड इन द कोर्ट रूम in front of the judge and she said, I'm innocent, I am nothing, I was just supporting the farmers. Only 2 lines were edited म्हणून but I swear तेका 5 दीस रिमांड घातिल्ले आसा कोण तें she is a girl of this nation, daughter of this nation, इंडियाची चली ती imagine what the parents are going through. So we stand with Disha Ravi and hope the judicial process is done justly and constitutionally. आणि आम्ही इतले म्हणटा की एंटायटल जावन दी प्रोविजन्स ऑफ सेडिशन हॅव बीन ते केल्ले आसा टू क्वेश द वॉइस ऑफ डिसेंट इन द डेमोक्रेसी एंड इट इज ट्रेविस्टी दैट द गवर्नमेंट हैज रिड्यूस्ड एसेंशियल फ्रीडम टू अ mere lip service. We demand that immediately Disha Ravi should be released and for the justice to prevail. आम्ही इतलेच मागता की जस्टिस जावपाक जाय लास्ट सांगपाक सोदता तुमकां परतून हांवें पॉयंट्स काडून हाडल्यात कित्याक हाडल्यात कांयच लायन चुकपाक नाका म्हणून म्हाका कित्याक फाल्यां अशी तशी लायन जाली जाल्यार डोंट बी शॉक इफ प्रतिमा कुतिन्हो इज अरेस्टेड बट एज वी हॅव टोल्ड आय एम रिप्रेझेंटिंग द 50% ऑफ पॉप्युलेशन दॅट इज द महिलास ऑफ गोवा एंड हियर एज अ सिस्टर ऑल इंडिया महिला काँग्रेस also has voiced out and are supporting Miss Disha Ravi's toil, what she is going through, and we have all over India Mahila Congress is supporting her, and we are praying that she comes out and the कारवाई जी जाता ती बरे भाशेन जस्टफुली जावन दी म्हणून आणि more power to her and others. We Mahila Congress of India and even Goa, we support her and we offer full support to this Disha Ravi and others who believe in speaking out, who believe in constitution, who believe that there's something called right to freedom of speech and right to protest, which is a fundamental right of Article 19 of Constitution of India. आता आम्ही थोडी जाण आसा आमी आता निषेध करपाचे म्हणून वी आर बर्निंग द एफिजी ऑफ नरेंद्र मोदी, द हिटलर ऑफ इंडिया. We'll be doing it. I would like to give press release.